as usual in football way a normal a big corner na a big but some will be coming while some will be making way for others to come a normal but this time around information I say can I say at least 8 Kumasi Asante Kotoko players will be let go, including those who are going to be sold and those who are going to be loaned. Information ekrame e wa ha me dey bro e wo fi ase ye hwan Kumasi Asante Kotoko. At least first round the players ni be beba and the players be nso a they are somehow being redundant or club war. They are underutilizing their abilities and their capabilities. And Penny Fortuna no omo feel say it is will be prudent for the club to part ways with them entirely, but still na ome hold on na akoye loan deals e bimo so ebeko entirely kra be ba chow aha super 24 TV information wo wi ase enu ntina eto form a ye de bro e ofi ampa chow unsubscribe ya na wa hit the rest subscriber tab no mama na wa bo adoma no so na ya build it together me da se se wa ya mama nyame show now wetin follow social media handles no so Facebook super 24 TV, Instagram Kumasi Blogman enya tohope ye de bro. Now back into the story. Samuel Asamoah Abudu is likely to be loaned and as entirely sold. But before that, my memfa list we amount Kumasi Asante Kotoko this season 2023-2024 season signed I register almost 31 players. Omo the screeners. Goalkeepers no Frederick Asari, Ibrahim Danlad, Moses White, and the defenders near Sheriff Mohammed defender. One Ishak Fusaini who be a fan, a young boy, and Henry Ansu new guy or by Yusuf Nuruddin and so by Yaya Daouni, Nana Benyi and so by Samuel Asamoah Nicolas Osebus no hodada, John Tedeku no hodada, and Augustine Ejapon na or hodada. So you see the defenders transfer list here eba bonti and before I say at least 8 there ever called including that and also those who will be sold defenders no predominantly more yes because defenders no more because at least defenders better but midfielders no na Shadrach Ado, Justice Blay, Rocky Dramina, Richmond Lamte, Sheriff Mohammed, Enoch Morrison, Isaac Opong, Eric Zeze, Michael Che Dramina, a new guy or by Baba Yaya new guy or by Peter Amidu new guy or by Bernard someone new guy or by Anderson Tim Menu new guy Nicholas Mensah. Yes, Nicholas Mensah no ya de neka ho but ye register na the FA February na kwa mu beda ho. Now strikers no Kalu Atara, Stephen Desemukwala, George Simfege ena Ofori Ziggy, also new guy or joining here. Now these are the squad, the list of players are Kumasi Asante Kotoko register and I no pay ana in time video no so proposed list be penny for Adrian who say players see sa office bar and as office cram bar nkomodidie asha say sa loan cra o metimi akọ John Tedeku defender. John Tedeku defender o ka ho Nana Benyi enso defender Kalu Atara before dwen ho se omunya Premier League club a no omude yama no wakobo loan kakra no wasapin the skills. Samuel Asamoah defender afina obai ono kra de Kotoko tengese nkometimi selling outright in team menu midfielder defensive midfielder in team menu ogum guy no Ishak Fusaini the young chap on also consideration but say omo de be team na wakobo na wenya experience no more Shadrach Ado stroke Bernard Somwa mpanyifo consider say omo so ometimi de na club na wakobo enya experience Ofori Ziggy and so part these are the list I be told ya bibia betimi attend news for bia e de be bro e ofia me da se me wie badwuma e chia wo bebre.